Hi, one of the problems you're going to have when you've made a program is you want to open it, maybe go back and work on it a bit more. I'm going to go back to, there's the courses folder, I'm in my S2 Python, hello world, and of course you would think if you double click it, everything will be fine. Let's see what happens. So I double click it, and yeah, it's got my enter name, let's put in something, and then hit enter. Oh, it's disappeared. And that is what's going to happen. Some programs you wouldn't even get that black box to stay up long enough to see what's on it. So the reality is, if you want to see your program again, you have to right click over it and edit with IDLE. And when you do that, you're back to this window here. And then when you run it, your second window will come up and you can start interacting with it again. But yeah, make sure that if you want to reuse or edit a program, right click, edit with IDLE.